We have several different types of interpolation for poser. We have the spline selection, we have a linear selection, a constant selection, and then we have the break spline selection. And the spline selection makes the smoothest movement between keyframes. The linear selection makes a smooth movement between keyframes, but in a more linear fashion without the excess movement. The constant selection limits the animation to just each frame of motion. So you'll notice that when I select this, there is no movement whatsoever between keyframes. It stops at one motion. So what we're going to do first of all is to select all the keyframes at the end of the walk, and we're going to break that by having our figure stop completely. And now as we scrub through the timeline, you'll see that he walks and comes to a complete stop with no additional movement.